Well, hi everyone. This is GirLys the Gamer. Today I will be showing you something I got from Golden Notes. It's a journal box. I ordered two boxes. One is brown and the other one is purple. I will use some of this stuff for my own gaming journal I'm working on. I will be doing an unboxing. I have the two boxes over here. I was worried yesterday because yesterday was raining and they usually left the boxes in weird places. And when I found them, they were near where the rain could reach them. So I was like, oh no. But they didn't get wet, so it was okay. So they come inside where the UPS, where they send them. This is the box. It's a Golden Knobs Calm Aesthetic Goods. And here it says something special for you inside. So I don't know which box is which. So let's open the first one. And for you to see, here it says say hello to your new favorite. And here I have your calm collection. And this is a thank you note. Thanks for your purchase. He said thank you so much for supporting my business. As a token of appreciation, please take a 10% off to your next order with the code. And here I have like everything. I would like to try not to rip this, but I think I would have to. And this one is the purple one. Look how cute. So you have a bag over here. And a side over here. With some tiny pockets inside, like 3, to organize everything. And inside we have the big one. Which is really cute. I really like it. This will help me a lot organize stuff. And more if I have to go on the go. So next we have the pens. This is so cute. Look. It's so cute. I love it. This is the other pen. And I think this is the highlighter. I don't. How do I open this? Anyway, this. I don't know how to open it, so we have a clip. This will help me so much. Oh, have a magnet. We have some magnet. We have stickers. We have 2 other clips, tiny ones. This will also help me a lot. I think this is the other highlighter. Yeah. I opened this file. Why I cannot open the other one? This is a glue tape. It's really cute. I really wanted one of these, so thank you. Washi tape, purple one. We have a nice and cute keychain. We have the actual journal, which is purple. These are like some pins, like the pins you use to clip the, I saw pin clips, I think it is the name, for the pages. I don't recall what this is actually. I don't really recall what this is, but it's really cute. Maybe a keychain or something. And here are like some mini photos and some other clips, more tiny ones. I think these are paper sticky notes. These are so cute and really aesthetic. I have some cute like postcards. The book, I don't know how I call this in English, book divider, something like that. These are so cute. I really like this one. And then the mid one is so cool. Also, we have actually book tracker. I don't read that much, but maybe I can use them either way for my gaming stuff. And this is a reading log. Yeah, the both are reading logs, so I may use one to actually for my gaming stuff. Would be cool. We have some more stickers. They are really cute. And I think that is, oh, I should have another highlighter. So there are 3 different highlighters. So I really love this. It's really cute. If you like stuff like this, you should actually go to Golden Notes on Instagram and go to their shop, which is goldennotes.com. shop. You should try it. They have different boxes with like different colors, and they also have mystery boxes. So if you like mystery stuff, I really recommend it. These are really cute. I love them. Will help some of the stuff will help me a lot. The other ones eventually, because I'm new on all of the journal stuff. But I really love everything. The box is cute, the details are really nice. And I hope she can keep growing and have more cute boxes like this. Thanks everyone. Hope you like the unboxing and hope you have a good day. Bye bye.